Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. I guess it goes this way here. And I have a little ultrasonic little device, and so we're gonna give this thing a try. I hadn't taken off my necklace in, God, months and months, so it's probably dirty. We'll try it out and see. So I'm gonna put it in here. Well, let me try getting some of this stuff out first. I'll aim it down so you can see. So this is what it is here. It comes with a big old tub of it here. So let's see, how do we do this? Do we put the whole thing in or do we mix it with water? Let's see. How to use: put water in the tank and place your item in the water. Recommend add 5 milliliters of solution per 20 ounce of water. So it's going to be about a fifth of it. So let's see if let me put some water in there and then put a little bit of the solution in. So this is going to be my guess at about a fifth of it. If I can open up this little container here. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to say, from what I put in, I would say, oof, that's probably a little too much there. Okay, so now we have that in there. And I'm going to close this up. Kind of cool. It comes with a little measuring thing. I probably should have measured everything out. But let's go ahead and stick my thing in there, and there, I push the button, and now it is ultrasonic cleaning. I think if I close the top, it also has some where it does UV rays in there as well. So let's see what this does here. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute here, but let's see what else this says here. It says it's good for jewelry, metal parts, gems, rings, eyeglasses. So you can put pretty much anything into it. I have a tiny little mini one here. I mean, you can put, these things, some people use them for like dentures and stuff. I don't know if this would work for that. I don't know. I don't have dentures, so I wouldn't know. But it seems like these are good for, there. It's non-toxic, ultra concentrated, safe for virtually all like ultrasonic machines. So I don't know what it's going to do here. Let's just take a look and see what it's got. Oh, it turns off the, I don't know if I can put my finger in there while it's going, I'm afraid. Let's just see what it's doing here. I don't know. My necklace looks pretty good. Maybe it was already pretty clean to start with. It's hard to know. But let's put it back in there again. I have some other jewelry too I can put in there. Actually, I'm gonna go get some other stuff and put it in too. I'll be right back. Okay, this has been running a while now. I'm gonna just turn it off. I don't even know if it has a timer on it or not, but I'd say it's been going about 5 or 10 minutes or so. So this is the ultrasonic cleaner here, and so let's take it out. Ooh, that water is kind of dirty if you look at it. And I put in, I don't know, I guess I didn't show you guys, I put in this ring. I think this is my grandfather's ring. It's a star sapphire. Wow, that came out really good. And then I also put in this big honkin' gold one I have, which is just insanely big, which I usually never wear because it's just huge. And then I put in this black one here, which was a gift at one point in time. I think it's just metal. I don't think it's anything there. And then this is my daily wear gold necklace. But look at how nice and shiny everything came out. Everything looks great. I can feel that stuff is it's a little bit slimy, I guess, in the feel from the cleaner. But how cool is that? It really works good. Everything looks nice and shiny and good. So I'm gonna say this cleaner is great. It works better than just doing water, that's for sure. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on that.